Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning,
Greetings, sir.
everybody. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Namaste,
morning.
sir.
Morning, sir.
So, children, today we are going to discuss about the next periodic property that is known as ionization energy. Okay. Sometime it is also known as ionization enthalpy, and sometime also known as ionization potential. So you don't have to worry. There is a slight difference between everything, but 99% everything is same. So here, children, we have to discuss about ionization energy. So energy term is there. So first of all, let me use some energy term, okay? And please learn this energy term, okay? Energy units of energy. That is 1 EV. Okay, 1 EV means 1 electron volt. You have to write EV and you have to speak out electron volt, 1 electron volt. Next is 1 electron volt is equal to, okay, 3.83 into 10 to the power minus 20 calorie per atom. Okay, per atom. You have to remember it. Number 3, 1 electron volt. If you want to give in molar form, then you have to multiply 3.83 into 10 to the power minus 20, okay, calorie into molar. Molar means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So the whole value will become, children, 23.06 kilocalorie, okay, per mole. Okay, children, and same way 1 electron volt also means in form of joule 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule, okay, joule per atom. And if you want to convert in molar form, so 1 electron volt per mole means 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 into, okay, joule is there into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So the whole value will become 96.49 kilojoule per mole. So today's task is you have to learn all these 5 points. Okay. One is that this ionization energy, ionization enthalpy, and ionization potential all are same. Don't worry at all. Okay. Ionization energy in short form. What are they? I will tell you. Don't worry. Ionization energy we will write IE. Ionization enthalpy we will write like this, del H, okay, I. These are this thing. Ionization potential we will write, okay, either we will write IP or we will write, yes, IP only we will write, ionization potential. These are short forms and all are same, nearly same. 99% all are same only. So now let us see what are they actually. What are they? See, children, have you written? Please note it down. Please note it down. Is it complete? It is completed. Please raise your hand if it is completed. Subham, it is completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now let us develop the concept of ionization energy. Children, before ionization energy, I gave you energy format. You should aware of ions. What is these ions? Okay. So children, ions are of two types, cation and anion. So when a positive charge develops, it is known as cation, and when negative charge is developed, it is known as anion. Okay, children. Generally, what happens? Suppose an atom is there. So atom is neutral. In sodium atom, 11 plus is there and 11 electron is there. So the total charge is 0, and that total charge is written over here on the symbol, Na0. But generally we do not write 0. We simply write Na. It means it has equal number of plus charge and equal number of minus charge. Okay, children? Did you understand? But suppose some difference occurs in this plus charge and minus charge. Suppose this is Na, and by chance 11 plus is there, and this electron, some electron is lost. Why they are lost? That is a different issue. But one electron is lost, then it will become 10 minus. So what will be the net charge? Net charge will be 1 plus or plus 1. You can write anywhere. So that net charge we have to write over here. No need to write this total history, but this charge should be written. So when cation is formed when there is loss of electron. So this is known as cation. Suppose chlorine is there. In that 17 plus is there and 17 minus is there. So altogether it is neutral. So we will write 0. But for sake of simplicity, we simply write Cl. It is understood that 0 is there. But by chance, suppose in Cl, 17 plus is there and it has gained 1 electron. Suppose one electron is extra. So 1 minus is extra over here. That extra net charge should be written over here. And it becomes, when negative charge is there, it becomes anion. When positive charge is there, it becomes cation. Did you understand, children? Did you understand this one? Those who have understood, please raise your hand immediately. So it is a creation of nature that some element want to lose electron and some element want to gain electron. And accordingly, they got the nature change. Some particle become cation and some particle become anion. All cations are ions. All cations are ions. All cations are ions. But all ions are not cations. Okay, there are some anion also. And all anions are ions. But all ions are not anion. You have to remember, children. Okay? Did you understand? Okay? Suppose a human being is there. Okay? So human being may be boy or girl. All boys are human beings. But all human beings are not boys. All girls are human beings. But all human beings are not girls. So that type of concept should be there. Okay, so all cations are ions, but all ions are not cations. All anions are ions, okay, but all ions are not anions. What are ions? Ions are charge particles. Charge particles. Okay, children? Did you understand? Shrestha Paul, unmute yourself. Shrestha Paul. Hello?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. So now, see what we are going to do.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, all cations are ions, but why all ions are not cations?
All boys are human beings,
Yes, sir.
but all human beings are boys.
No, sir.
Girls are also there.
Yes, sir.
So we don't consider girls as human beings.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand or not?
Understood.
Yeah, that is only the concept. So all cations, every charge particles are known as ions. Every charge particles are known as ions. And ions are of two types. Ions are of two types. Did you understand?
So, like all radicals are ions, but all ions are not radicals.
Okay. Did you understand? No?
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
move forward? Shall
Yes,
I move
sir.
forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
God Jadov.
So now, children, I would like to give a simple concept first. Okay. For anything, if you want to break or if you want to remove, okay, any particle which is joined at somewhere, okay, it is joined, and if you want to break it, you have to apply some energy. The energy may be less or energy may be more, but you have to apply some energy, then only that particle will be broken or removed. For an example, see, for an example, children, this is a mango tree, and in mango tree, suppose one mango is there, and here one student is there. If this student want to remove this mango, okay, he has to give some energy either by stick or something, then he will make a hook and he will pull. During pulling he will require energy or not, tell me. And if we give energy, then only it will break. Is this concept is clear or not? Unless and until if you don't give energy, it will not break. Did you understand this
Yes,
concept?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. In same way, children, in same way, suppose, so see, I will write one normal language, normal way, and then I will give a standard way. I have every method, normal method, normal way or normal method to explain any standard method. This is nucleus, children. This is first orbit, this is second, this is third, like this. So suppose I am telling you about sodium. Okay, children. So sodium is having 2 electrons in the first orbit, 8 electrons in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electron in the outer, 2 electron, not, oh, sorry. It is the first orbit. Okay. This is the first orbit, this is second orbit, and this is the third orbit. So in first orbit, 2 electrons are there. In second orbit, 8 electrons are there. And in third orbit, only 1 electron is there. Okay. So tell me, which electron is loosely packed? This electron is loosely packed, because those who are near to the nucleus are tightly packed. So suppose we want to remove this electron. Okay, children, we want to remove this electron. Now don't put any unnecessary question or any unnecessary doubt in your brain that why we are removing this electron. There may be some reason to remove the electron. Don't engage your mind in that type of situation. Why we are removing? Why this person is breaking this mango? He may eat, he may donate somebody else. Okay, whatever he can do. That is different issue, what he will do. But in same way, we want to remove this electron. Why we are removing, that is different issue. For chemical reaction, we require to remove electron. Somebody from those who are having extra electron, we will remove. Those who want electron, we will give to them. Hello. Yes. Okay. मैं आपको children, our principal sir want to address you. Just listen carefully, okay? Yes, sir. Principal sir. Hello. Principal sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to all the students. Dear students, I want to know who is this boy? Number with 5143110. 5143110. 5143110. Please respond. Five 5143110. Please respond. Where are you?
Respond. Respond, children. I have unmuted you. Respond.
Not responding.
Sir, I have unmuted him.
Please respond.
Child, respond. Child.
My dear boy, I would like to know from which school you are.
Saunak De. Saunak. Please respond.
From which school you are?
Saunak De, respond. Saunak De, please respond.
5004425. 5004425. Please respond. Students, you have not done any mistake. Don't afraid. Please respond.
Sir, what is the second number?
Sir, 5014108.
5014108.
Yes. Ridhi.
Riddhi Soni.
Ridhi Soni.
Riddhi Soni, unmute yourself. Riddhi Soni. Riddhi Soni, unmute yourself. Please
Don't
respond.
fear. I want to know from which school you are. Sir, like
Yes.
this, nearly 10 students are there.
Okay.
Ashin Biswas, Ayesha Fatima, Srishti Bhagi,
Aisin Biswas, please respond.
Bye.
Hello, sir.
Aisin Biswas,
Good morning, sir.
Good
please
morning,
respond. My principal
Good
is
morning.
talking with you.
Yes, sir. I'm from Narayana Newtown.
Nara Newton.
Sir, I'm from Narayana Newtown branch.
Okay, fine. You are welcome. You did not have your admission number or reservation number?
Sir, I got the reservation number, but in the Zoom account is showing my previous, like old admission.
In the Zoom account?
In the Zoom account, the school has given like logged in using my old admission number, the one which I used till 10. That's it.
Immediately, which branch you are? PCMB?
So Narayana Newtown, PCMB.
PCMB. Your mentor is Maitreyi
Sir,
Sarkar. Am I
Madhushri,
right?
sir. Madhushri, sir.
Madhu madam.
Madhushri, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Immediately contact her and get the credentials.
Okay, sir.
You should enter through your reservation number only. If
Sir,
you
I
are
had
facing
messaged
any
that-
inconvenience, Madhu madam will help you.
Okay, sir.
Or else
Sir, but
accidentally I
I've
am the
logged in
principal of
using the-
Newton. I am
Yes,
the
sir.
principal of Newton. You call to me, I'll help you. You
Okay,
should
sir.
enter
Sir,
through your reservation number only.
sir, I don't have your number.
You
You
can
don't have
note it
reservation
down.
number.
No, sir, you told me to call you, but I don't have your contact information.
You ask Madhu madam, she'll give you what is there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please tell me your name.
Sir, Ashin Biswas.
Ashin Biswas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashin. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So Riddhi
Okay.
Soni is there. Riddhi Soni,
Oh, yes, sir.
please respond to principal. Sir, Riddhi Soni is in line.
Ridhi Soni, from which school you are?
Sir, I'm from Newton branch.
You are from Newton. Who is your mentor?
Madhu ma'am. Maitri ma'am.
You call. Huh?
Maitri ma'am.
Maitreyi madam. Immediately contact her, get the credentials, and enter through your reservation number only.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
And Ridhi Soni,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yesterday madam said that all the students they are having the credentials. Why you are not entering with those credentials?
Okay,
This is
okay.
admission
You don't
number.
have your reservation number?
No, sir, I have.
Then why you are not entering with that?
Sir, I have 2 admission numbers, so I chose this one. I'll enter the.
No, Ridhi Soni. You should. Why you are having 2 admission numbers?
I'm an open student. That's why.
No, get it clarified. Get it clarified from your mentor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Okay, okay. आ गया समझ में. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. अभी बता. Principal sir.
Sir.
I think some boys, some student who have joined for this the new batch, the third batch. So I think some people might be joining in this. So I think we have to take care about that also. Some people, those who have joined for this CDF new batch, latest batch.
Ah.
Okay, so
They
they
are
might
supposed
have.
to sit in maths class, no sir? Now maths class is going on. They're supposed to sit in maths class. Why they
Okay.
join in chemistry?
Okay. 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 So,
For new students,
uh,
they should join in a new batch. That is maths class is going on. A bio class is going on.
okay. Okay. Okay.
All the remaining students are new students.
It may be, sir. It may be. That's why. After class we will just discuss about it. That those who are new, so I think they might have joined in this class. That's why.
Acha, you ask them to join in the other section, sir.
Yes. Yes. I will tell them. I will
Okay.
tell them. Sir.
Okay.
I'll tell them. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So,
sir. Thank you.
okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, boys. Thank you.
Participant, everybody tell thank you to the principal, sir.
एक हफ्ता हो गया यार
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, children, okay, children. So, did you understand? So, in normal way, we want to remove this electron. Okay, but we can't remove electron so easily because this electron is having negative charge and nucleus is positively charged. So it is pulling this electron, children. Okay, it is not so easy task to remove this electron. It is pulled by this nucleus. So we required some energy. We required some energy, children, to remove this electron. Energy may be less or more. That is different issue. But the energy will be required. Isn't it? Okay. Sometimes we are giving more energy also. Then also we cannot remove electrons. That is also there. We require lot of energy to remove the electron. So there are so many cases where the electron can be removed easily and the electron cannot be removed easily. So generally this is the situation. And after removing electron, suppose this electron is removed, electron came outside. This is electron which we removed. Then what is the remaining portion? Previously this was an atom, and after removing electron it become cation. And you know cation is also known as anion. Every cation is anion. Sorry, not every cation, anion, ion. So it become ion. It become ion. After removing electron, that particular atom become ion after losing this electron. Okay, and that's why this energy is known as ionization energy. Means after giving this energy, electron is removed, the atom is converted into ion. Okay, and that's why this energy is known as ionization energy. Okay, so suppose you give some party. In party what happens? Music is there, a big buffet system of fooding is there, but that party has some name. The party has some name. It is birthday party, it is marriage party, it is some business party, it is some that party, cricket match party. So party means have fun, lot of music, nice food to eat, but that party has some name. Okay, on for what party? Okay, definitely. So when we are providing some energy, we should name them, that what is for that. So it is the ionization energy. This normal method I want to put in a standard way. Standard way, children. So children, I want to inform you, those who are new student, okay, please follow your timetable, okay, and if you want to attend the different classes also, have a proper authorization from your mentor, the person or the authority who is guiding you, and go accordingly in that class with your total admission or registration number and all. Give a proper information. Did you understand, children? So this type of problem will not occur. Okay, children, did you understand? Those who are newcomers and all, did you understand, children? I am unmuting once again. Please respond me. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, so that you will not face any problem. Okay, this is good for your safety, security, and a proper method, smooth
okay,
way.
sir.
Program must be run in a smooth way.
আমিও ভয় খেয়ে গেছি বলা কে আমাকে চিনে না বললাম তারপরে খুললাম
Children, unmute yourself. Children, sorry, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Yeah. So now we will write in a standard way. What is that standard way, children? Suppose one atom is there. One atom is there. Okay. So we will provide some energy IE1. I will tell you the full form of IE1 means we want to remove only one electron. That is known as first electron. Okay. So you can remove many electrons from one atom. You can remove many electrons from one single atom. So if you have removed the first one, it is known as IE1. So what will happen? One electron is removed, it will become cation and the electron will be lost. Okay, children? If you want to remove another electron, so again, if you want to remove more electron, then you have to give IE2. This is known as second ionization energy. Now it will become +2. If you want to remove more electron, okay, then you have to provide IE3. Then it will become 3 positively charged. And okay, you should know that this is known as successive ionization energy. Successive ionization energy. And in successive ionization energy, remember every time IE3 is greater than IE2 is greater than IE1. It is easy to remove first electron. Then in second step, it becomes somewhat difficult. In third step, it will become more difficult. Okay. First one was neutral. So you can remove the electron easily. Second one is already positive charge. And from positive charge, you cannot remove electron easily because it is minus charge. Positive will never try to leave negative charge in same way. Anyhow, children, so this is atom and this is cation. And cation is also known as ion. These all are ion. So this energy is known as ionization energy. The full form of IE1 is first ionization energy is known as second ionization energy, third ionization energy, and so on. So did you understand what is ionization energy? Ionization energy. So now let me define what is ionization energy. Okay. So it is the minimum amount of energy required to remove the loosely held electron from an isolated atom, So here so many things are there, children. Minimum energy, okay, and removal, you have to remove it. What you will do after removal, that is different issue. Loosely held means it should be outermost electron or loosely held electron, and from isolated atom. You know what is isolated atom? The atom, okay, the atom which is not is in solid form or in liquid form. It should be in gaseous form. So each particle should be separated from each other. When they are separated from each other, they don't have any effect from each other. That is known as isolated atom. Isolated atom. Like the patient who get affected by COVID-19, coronavirus. So the person is isolated from the society. Okay, isolated means separated from others. That is known as isolated atom. During examination, all students are isolated. Then only we can see what are the caliber of, what are the talent of each student. If we combine them and ask them to write the exam, we cannot understand the caliber of each student. That's why each student is isolated during examination hall. Did you understand, children? So this is the ionization energy. Okay. And ionization energy, when you supply, that atom will convert it into cation. Now we will go to the factors affecting. Factors affecting ionization energy. Okay, factors affecting ionization energy, children. Let me see any. Simran Gupta, would you like to tell anything?
No, sir.
Okay, you raised your hand. No, that's why.
Oh, sir, it was handed before.
Okay, right. Next is factors affecting ionization energy, children. So, write down. First, writing work should be completed. Then I will do the exceptional cases. Then I will do the practice session. You know what is the plan, how I approach each and every topic. Okay. So now factors affecting ionization energy. First of all, ionization energy is inversely proportional to atomic size. What did you understand? What does it mean? If atomic size increases, okay, then ionization energy will decrease. It means like this. Number 2, atomic size I have already discussed. Then what about screening effect? So ionization energy, okay, is again inversely proportional to sigma value. Sigma is known as screening effect. More will be the screening, okay. So more will be the protection from the nucleus. Okay, children. So we can write like this. If sigma value increases, then ionization energy will decrease. Ionization energy will decrease. Okay, children. I will give you all example. Don't get panic. Just you start reading. Collect data, collect informations. And then when problem solving session will start, and at that time I will recall each and everything. Okay, so first you collect all data, learn it by tomorrow. Okay, keep this all fact in your mind. Okay, what is point number 3? Ionization energy is directly proportional to nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. Okay, that is, if nuclear charge increases, then ionization energy will increase. Nuclear charge means positive charge. So positive charge will attract electron. Okay, positive charge will attract electron. Positive charge. See, this is the positive charge. More powerful will be the positive charge, more attraction will be there. So these are some factors. These are very useful. Go through each and every factor. Every factor is very important. And next is ionization energy is directly proportional to half field stability or full field stability. Okay, that is on stable electronic configuration. Stable electronic configuration. EC means electronic configuration. So if the electronic configuration is stable, so if it is stable, okay, it is difficult to remove electron. Everything I will discuss when problem solving session will start. Okay, children?
Yes,
And
sir.
fifth point, yes, fifth point is ionization energy follow this order. This order. See, children, I told you several times, when a nucleus is there and when some orbit is there. So please bore this fact in your mind that now you should not go through the concept of circular orbits. Now all orbits are not circular. They are elliptical. They are not circular, children. So suppose this is some orbit. Any orbit is there. Orbit N. So in that, S is also there, P is also there, D is also there, F is also there. So children, it has been observed by our scientists that when same orbit is there, then the S suborbit is near to the nucleus, then compared to the P, then compared to the D, then compared to the F. So those who are closer to the nucleus, we cannot pull their electron so easily. Now tell me, out of this S, P, D, F, electrons are all here also, here also, here also, here also. Which electron we can easily remove? Can we remove S or F? Tell me, respond me. Respond me.
F.
F, yes. We can remove electron from F. That is IE, means ionization energy follow this order. What is that order? That it is required more energy than in S, then P, then D, then F. This is the order. So these are some factors which affect ionization energy. Okay, children, and today's, that is variation trend, normal variation trend in ionization energy. And that trend I already told you that ionization energy increases in a period. Okay, in a period. This horizontal row is known as period. and vertical is known as group. So ionization energy, children, try to understand, it decreases when we come from top to bottom. Ionization energy decreases. This is normal trend. Okay. Now what we have to do in our next class, what we will do in our next class, what we will do, okay, we'll do the application part and exceptional part. If we do application and exceptional part, okay, and problem, that is numerical problems, numerical problems, then our problem will be, our topic will be completed. Ionization energy will be completed. Did you understand, children? So today, this is the high
Yes, sir.
time. Okay, I will complete in particular time and everything I will in a balanced way.